Hey, Bob Carr here for the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got Chris from Cedar Square Homes. Chris, welcome back.
How you doing, Bob?
I'm doing fantastic. What's happening in your world, sir?
We're still staying busy. We have some home improvements that we're still working on. Some we're finishing up. Got a couple houses that are going to be seeing the market in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So I've been working on a lot of bid jobs lately, trying to get things on the books for the next couple months.
So what percentage is new homes you're building out of the ground versus houses you're working with folks with?
New homes probably about 40%. Renovations probably about 60%. So
is renovation still going strong?
They're still going strong. We're still getting a lot of calls. We're getting a lot of recommendations from neighborhoods that people we built or renovated in, and they're calling us, asking us to come out and do some bid work. So
how's that work for us for advertising? Or are you just all word of mouth and for realtors?
Advertising goes back and forth. Sometimes it's real estate agents. Sometimes it's through Facebook but a majority of it's through word of mouth. It's just You
guys been around a long time.
They've been around 30 plus years. So yes,
good reputation on the street for sure.
Absolutely.
So what do you think is going to drive us into the fall through the winter? What are you looking for that?
We have 2 houses that we're building right now over in Jessup, which we're hoping one's going to go on the market in about 3 weeks. And then the other one's going under roof at the end of this week. Same house. So we're hoping to sell one house off the other house. And then we bought we're going to have a property over in Eastport down in Annapolis. So we're looking forward to doing that. That's in the permit stages now. So that's probably about
tear down?
Tear down. Yep. We bought the house. We're going to tear it down, build something new, kind of give it the Annapolis style. So hopefully
that's exciting.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe about 3 months we're going to be in there tearing it down. So
now, is that you working through the city, right?
Yes.
Now, is that harder or more difficult than Anne Arundel County?
From what I heard, it's the same. We've done renovation work in the city, but we haven't actually done new builds. So
might be a little challenge.
We have a good guy working on it, so it shouldn't be that much of a challenge.
Got you get the right people.
Yes.
It makes it a lot easier, isn't it? Chris, it seems like it's a weird summer. Things are up and down. What are you seeing on your side?
We're still seeing the need for houses. The interest rates are up now, but they're talking about them lowering by the end of this year. So we're hoping that doesn't affect us. And as far as the renovation work, a lot of people they're paying out of pocket for a lot of things. So that really hasn't affected us either.
You know who we need to get on the show?
Who's that?
It would be a good barometer of what's going on. It would be Wendy Oliver.
Absolutely. I'm going to have to.
You think she'd come on the show and talk?
I think she will.
She rock and rolls.
Yeah, she likes getting in front of the camera. So hopefully I'll talk to her and see if I can get her over here next month.
We appreciate you coming in today, Chris. Folks want to get a hold of you. How can they get a hold of you, sir?
Office number is 410-987-9771, or they can reach out to us through the webpage, which is www.cedarsquarehomes.com.
Fantastic. Chris, appreciate you coming in today. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Stay tuned next week for another new episode.